On February 4th, IGS hosted the Alert Workshop at the Remal Hotel in Ruwais, UAE. Industry professionals came together to explore innovative solutions for improving asset performance, efficiency, and reliability. IGS presented case studies highlighting successful projects in the Middle East, demonstrating real-world results in asset protection and performance improvement. Scott Donson, VP of Tube Tech, introduced their no-man entry robotic cleaning system. It is designed to restore heat exchanger efficiency safely and effectively, removing up to 90% of fouling. Thermal efficiency expert Johannes Poth explained how C-Tech's high emissivity coatings improve heat transfer. This enables lower furnace temperatures while preserving output, cutting fuel use and emissions. The event brought together industry leaders, innovative technologies, and real-world solutions, all working toward a more efficient and sustainable future.